My name is Shanay and I am a student of the Architectural Assistantship department at LJ. I had opted for this course after finishing my 10th grade at school. It has been a month since the first semester ended and the second semester classes have started. At first, I was just fascinated by the concept of the architectural field but wasn't quite aware of the detailed knowledge that should have been known. Upon finishing my first semester here, I am sure that I can say I have learned a lot about the field and how it works in detail. I would mainly like to acknowledge our teachers over here. They are patient, approachable, and conduct very enthusiastic, interesting, and interactive lectures. The college also hosts exhibitions and competitions which help with visual learning and one's team building skills. Towards the end, my first semester was a positive learning experience. Thank you.